Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to fix the PayPal app not working on Android phone step by step. First is to force stop the app. Go to settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Tap on the search icon at the top right. Search for PayPal. And here, tap force stop at the bottom right. This shuts the app down completely and helps clear temporary glitches. Second step is to clear cache and data. Scroll down and tap on storage. Then tap clear cache. If the issue still continues, try tapping clear data too. Just remember, this will log you out of the app. Third step is to open the Play Store. Search for PayPal. And see if there's an update button. Updating fixes bugs and keeps the app compatible with your device. Fourth step is to restart your phone. Sometimes just restarting your phone helps reset background services that might be interfering with PayPal. If the app still won't open or load, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching networks to see if that fixes the issue. And as a last resort, uninstall the app completely. Then reinstall it from the Play Store. This gives you a fresh start with the latest version. And that's how you can fix the PayPal app not working on Android. If this video helped, hit like, tap subscribe and drop a comment with any other app you would like help with. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.